In this lesson, let's learn about parallel lines and line segments, as well as ratios of triangles. 平行線と線分、三角形と比。Look at the figure on the right. Let the points D and E be on sides AB and AC of triangle ABC. If line segments DE and BC are parallel, then AD ratio to AB equals AE ratio to AC, which is equal to DE ratio to BC. Also, if line segment DE and line segment BC are parallel, then AD ratio to DB equals AE ratio to EC. That concludes our explanation of ratios of triangles. Now let's do some practice. Press the pause button and try to solve the practice problem. Once you're finished, press the resume button and mark what you got correct. Now let's check our answers. For number 1, using the relationship between parallels and ratios, we know that AD ratio to AB equals DC ratio to BC. So 9 ratio to X equals 6 ratio to 8. Therefore, X equals 12. For number 2, once again, using the relationship between parallels and ratios, we know that AD ratio to DB equals AE ratio to EC. So 9 ratio to 3 equals Y ratio to 4. Therefore, Y equals 12. Were you able to answer both questions correctly? Finally, let's review what we have learned. Look at the figure on the right. Let points D and E be on sides AB and AC of triangle ABC. If line segment DE and line segment BC are parallel, then AD ratio to AB equals AE ratio to AC, which equals DE ratio to BC. Also, if line segment DE and line segment BC are parallel, then AD ratio to DB equals AE ratio to EC. That concludes this lesson.